Hey everyone, welcome back to ML Works. In this video, we'll be learning how to build a stock news analyzer using n8n, OpenRouter and SerpAPI. So in the previous video, we have set up n8n and we built a open source agent with the help of Ollama. Today, we'll be building a stock news analyzer with the help of all these different tools. To get started with this task, first we have to sign up to OpenRouter and get the API key and store it somewhere, and then you have to sign up on SerpAPI and get the API key and store it in a file or somewhere, and then we have to create a workflow with the n8n, and there we'll be creating a stock news analyzer with the help of all these different APIs and agents that are provided as a component in n8n. Now to get started, what I would do is first I'll go to this terminal and I'll show you that exactly how this is running like n8n. So you can notice here I have started my n8n server here and it is running on port 5678. And if you are doing it for the first time, what I would recommend is you can go to the previous video and you can check how to set up n8n and how I have built an AI agent there. So these were the series of steps that were taken to set up n8n, and we used Node.js and npm to install n8n, and we also used Ollama to connect our open source models with n8n. So with that understanding, now let us go and build a stock news analyzer, and we'll be discussing about OpenRouter and SerpAPI as we are building this stock news analyzer. So since it's already running there, that n8n server, I'll go here and type in localhost 5678. And here you can go and create your workflow. So this is a new section where you can create your new workflow. I'll go to personal here and I'll show you existing setup, which is the stock news analyzer, where we have schedule trigger. So every day at a specific time, this agent will run and it will take a model from OpenRouter, and there is a system prompt provided to AI agent, which will be taking in the latest news on the stock market, and it will recommend 3 new stocks. And for this, we'll be making use of tools like Google Finance Search in SerpAPI. And once we have analyzed the stocks and we got our top 3 stocks or recommended stocks, we'll be sending that as a message to Telegram. So that's the whole flow. Now what I'll do is I'll go back here in the new section, in this new template, and here I'll go and click first scheduler, and this will be your schedule trigger. So it should be triggered every noon, 12 o'clock. I'll just close this down. If you want to add new rules, you can add the rules here. I'll just skip this part for now. Close it. And we have added our scheduler. Now we have to add our AI agent. So here you have to provide the system prompt. So I can go here, take the system prompt which was mentioned here. So copy this and paste it here. So here, this is the system message. What I'll do is, instead of doing this, I'll go here under prompt. I'll just edit this one. Define below. Okay, source for prompt, define below. And you have to come here. You will get this prompt section and where you can edit and add your prompt. So basically, instead of connected to chat trigger node, you have to define below. So basically what happens, right, when you have AI agent or when you're building AI systems, we'll be adding chat trigger node. So user will be sending a message and it will be based on that message. It has to make use of the system message and the user query, and it has to generate the response. Now, since we are building stock analyzer, what we'll do is we'll define the system prompt here itself, and we'll be just setting that as part of our OpenAI system prompt. So let's keep it like this and just close this out. Now for chat model, let's click here, +sign, OpenRouter, and use OpenRouter chat model. So here you will notice that credentials I have already set up as OpenRouter account. If you are doing it for the first time, then you have to create a new credential. You have to click here. You have to get the API key from OpenRouter. So where you have to go is, so for the API key, you have to go to your openrouter.ai and sign in here and get the API key. So you will have that API key, or you can create your new API key here, type in some details here and create it. So once the API key is generated, you can copy that API key and then paste it here. This is OpenRouter account 2. Since I have already added my OpenRouter account, I don't want to do this. I'll just keep this as OpenRouter account. And for the model section, I want to use free models because I don't have any API key provided by the provider like OpenAI or anything. Or neither did I get any API key from OpenRouter for paid models. So I'll use the open source models like Nemotron 3, or I can use 30 billion parameter model, Nemotron, this one. I can use this model and close it out. So I have my models also present now. Now when it comes to tools, here we want to perform web search. So what we can use is SerpAPI. You have to use official tool, so this one, and here you can set it automatically search, yes, not Google search but Google Finance search. It will be this one, and not only Nasdaq, the stock market, I'll put it as stock market. And the SerpAPI account, I will be switching to account this one because I don't have any API key mentioned here. If I go here, you will see that I don't have any API key. So I'll delete this one. Now it will be defaultly selecting SerpAPI account. Now if you're doing it for the first time, then you have to go to create new credentials and go to this website like serpapi.com, sign in here and get the API key. So it is as simple as what we have done for OpenRouter. Once the API key is there, you can copy and paste it here and close this down. And we have set up everything here. Here also we have stock market, Google Finance. Yeah, everything is done here also. Now comes our Telegram section where we want to, whatever the output that we generate after analyzing the stocks, you want to send it as a message to Telegram bot. So I'll click here, I'll go to Telegram, add this. I want to send a message. Send message. I'll just send a text message. So this is the message, send option, chat ID. It will be coming from the specific Telegram bot. So what I'll do is I'll go and search Telegram in my applications and here. So if you remember from my previous video, I have set up Telegram as well. So I'll be using the same bot. So if you see here, I have this bot father. Here I created MLWorks Hermes bot, and this is the bot token. And this is where I also took my user ID, or this one. This one I can copy it here. This is the chat ID. So let me go and verify this again here as well. So if I go here under the text chat, so if you see here, right? This is chat ID is same as 55523. Yes, 55523. So here I have to get JSON.output. So what I'll do here is I'll just type in, not this one, I'll turn it into expression first. Then I'll be doing JSON dot, output, JSON dot output. So this will be coming from the previous node. Okay. So I think we are almost done here. If I just go here, so you will see this access token here. So if you go here, right, when you create a new bot with the help of bot father, okay, the steps are pretty simple when you want to create a new bot, right? You just have to go and search bot father here, and then you have to type in /new bot. Then you have to pass your bot name and username, and it will give you the bot and it will give you the token also. You just have to copy this, move it here, paste it here. Okay, it is as simple as that. You just have to close this down now. Now we have set up our whole system, and we have also added the trigger. So now let us go ahead and execute this. So first it went to OpenRouter, Google Finance Search in SerpAPI. Again it went to OpenRouter chat model. So it will be sending a message Telegram. Now my prompt was, if I go here, AI agent, you will see you are a stock news analyzer or summarizer. You are tasked to fetch the latest news on your stock market and recommend stock based on the news. Final output must be recommend 3 high value stocks with 3 reasons. So that is the final output that we want to get from the model. So if you notice here, we have already got the message in Telegram. So let me go to Telegram, and this is the new message. So top 3 high value US stocks to watch based on today's market news and price action. One is Amazon, there is Microsoft, then there is Tesla. So it will also give the reasons, recent headlines, AI driven full self-driving, robust delivery numbers, strong vehicle deliveries, and expanding energy storage. So this is the 3 points. It starts with 1, 2, and 3. Similarly for Amazon, here you have this first point, strong price momentum, up 3.49% in today's session, outperforming the broader market rally. Earnings beat and AI expansion. Okay. And this is 3 reasons to buy this stock. Similarly for Microsoft as well. Now if I go back here, you will notice all this response that is coming from this model. And if I just go here, you will notice all these details here, message ID, chat ID. All these details are coming here, and then it is also giving this reasons, right? All 3 are large cap, high value stocks that are currently trading on the upside. Latest news highlights record high closes, S&P 500 and NASDAQ, a bullish macro environment. Okay. Now this is cool. So everything is working as expected. So we don't have to we didn't see any error coming or pop up. So once you have done this, you can just download this and move it to any other environment where you have your server running, and make your n8n run there 24/7, and this will directly send the message to your Telegram channel every day. So we are almost done with the video, because we are able to schedule the AI agent to perform stock news analysis and send the analyzed stock news as part of your Telegram message. So with that, I'll be concluding this video. Thank you for watching.